the main ones that I think of is the longus colli right here, the longus colli. And I don't know, did y'all talk about the different portions of longus colli? No. All right, so the longus colli, and then we have some anterior muscles, again, specific to that C1, C2 region, anteriorly. Okay, rectus capitis lateralis, and then we've got rectus capitis anterior. Since we put a little bit of time on the posterior, the occipital, suboccipital triangle. All right, and then there's our scalene muscles, and we mentioned those because that's where our brachial plexus comes out between anterior and middle scalene. All right, so really that's the main ones that we talk about. And then posteriorly, we do see several nice images in the book, and these are very straightforward because you're either going from the head to C1 or C1 to C2 or C2 up to the head. I mean, that's all the options we've got. So the first muscle is out here. Most lateral muscle on the occiput here is oblique capitis superioris. Oblique capitis superioris, going from the head to the transverse process of C1. From C1, the transverse process to the spinous process of C2, obliquus capitis inferioris. All right, bilateral. You can see it kind of forming the box. Inside that box, all we have is two muscles, rectus capitis posterior minor, rectus capitis posterior major. I mean, the only thing that's nice, rectus means up and down, okay? Capitis means it's going to the head, okay? Posterior is in the back, and then minor or major is it long or short, okay? So if it's major, it's going from C2 to the head. So even though it makes the names longer, it also makes it easier to identify. So I would likely have either a tagging question over next door or on the exam. These are fairly straightforward, okay? These are gimme points. This is a good thing, all right? And then we can see this on the posterior aspect, these same muscles. We've got oblique capitis superioris, oblique capitis inferior, and then we've got the two muscles right here, rectus capitis posterior minor, rectus capitis posterior major.